I will show you how to transfer videos from iPhone to PC. First, open it on your phone. Download the Send Anywhere application. Open the App Store. Click Send Anywhere. Download the application. After that, open the gallery. Select the photo you want to send. Click the bottom left icon, then select the Send Anywhere application. Later, there is a code to download. After that, you move to the PC. Open Google and type Send Anywhere. Click this website, then enter the 6-digit code. Wait for the download process. Congratulations, you have moved the iPhone file to the PC.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.